welcome back. Yesterday's vlog, or the previous vlog, was the ponies by the sea. All those Mustangs, quite incredible. I just left that show and now I'm headed over to Oxnard to go to the Steampunk Festival. I have no idea what to expect with this, but I think it's going to be cool. The Oxnard Steampunk Festival. There's all kinds of vendors and stuff. Gonna check the place out. Looks cool.
where I belong. Need you now like an old steel drum. I said, ooh, 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 well, I'm coming home. Ooh, 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 well, I'm coming home. Oh, and ooh, well, I'm coming home.
This is our 4th year, and it's getting bigger and better every year.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing. People walking around in interesting outfits like yours.
Yeah, like mine.
Right.
I have some color on today. Usually
Right.
steampunk you think is very brown and black and whatnot,
Sure.
but we're spicing it up
Now,
a little bit.
what do you think is causing this resurgence or this
You
love
know,
of steampunk?
The funny thing about steampunk is that anybody can steampunk.
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
there's, nautical, there's explorers, there's, Day of the Dead.
It's really limitless.
It's limitless on what you can do with your costume.
Yeah, I just saw a bunch of steampunk Star Wars.
Yeah,
masks.
exactly.
Right.
It's really limitless as far as what your imagination wants to
Right.
see.
Fantastic. So where can people go online to be able to find out more about this?
OxnardSteampunkFestival.com.
Okay.
So it's all spelled out.
Is there any kind of steampunk food?
You know what? They do like a cake contest. We haven't quite gotten that far yet,
Yeah.
but I hope to in the future.
The copper's a little hard to gnaw on.
Right, the copper is a little hard to chew on, but we've got everything else. So,
Awesome.
yeah.
Well, thanks for having me.
All right, thank you,
Cool.
Tim.
Okay. Has definitely changed here in the Boo as well as most of Southern California. Today is really the first Santa Ana condition. I think that we're only supposed to have wind one day and the rest of the week is supposed to be warm, which is not always a good combination of things. It's kind of windy. But I forgot to buy coffee yesterday, so I gotta walk down to the liquor store and get a bunch. Okay. Interesting day. Interesting day. Big thanks, Heather Behrens, who is the festival director at the Oxnard Steampunk Festival. I haven't been to one of those before, and that was really interesting. And I've done a lot of steampunk design over the years, especially at Disney way back in the early 90s when Kathy and I were working on New Tomorrowland and a variety of things, Discoveryland, that kind of stuff. So we did a lot of design back then, and steampunk was kind of just coming in, kind of an interesting change direction in the design world. And it's really neat to see what people come up with. Lots of creativity, lots of neat costume stuff and hardware, weapons, and things like that. They're looking for ways to grow their show, and Heather came to me and said, hey, come on over, check this out, share it with you guys. And if you're local, it's a once-a-year show. If you're local in Oxnard in the Southern California area, you may want to go and check them out. Once again, OxnardSteampunkFestival.com. Okay, quick book update. We have as you guys know, we have our shark book the shark coloring book that's coming out November 1st. Very excited about that. Everything is complete. All we have to do is go through a little bit of a process to get that up and available to you guys. And off the heels of that, we're coming out on December 1st, the Corvette book, just in time for Christmas. So all you guys that love Corvettes, if you've gotten our Mustang book already, you'll know that the Mustang book came out pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. And the Corvette book is going to be top. It's going to be cooler. As you may or may not know, my favorite car is basically the one with 4 wheels. Lots of stuff coming up towards the end of November. So we got some episodes that are coming up you guys are really going to dig. We got the Corey Iverson rally. It was a firefighter who lost his life in the Thomas fire. We're gonna cover that entire rally. That's going to be coming up in the next couple of days. Plus, Kathy's working on a big project for the Ellen Show. You're going to see what that is. You're going to see us actually build something for the Ellen Show. Lots of great stuff always coming up on the vlog. This is Fireball Malibu Vlog. I'm Fireball Tim, your host. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube. Join us on Facebook, Instagram, all those fun places. We're having a great time. And as always, do what you love what you do. We'll see you guys later.